Stampers, and happy Make It Monday. Thank you for joining me. This is Laura Buechler from Inkyfingers Papercrafting, and I'm here to help brand new stampers go from feeling uncreative, overwhelmed, unsure how to start, to and proud to share their new creations. So don't forget to stick around till the end of the video today, where I'm going to be giving away one of these beautiful cards that we made last week on Make It Monday. And today, not only do I have a fun sneak peek for you, don't forget to remind me about that if I get too excited and forget, but we are also going to be putting together the birthday card organizer, which is one of the all-inclusive kits from Stampin' Up. So let me switch my camera here. There we go. And let's get started digging into this fabulous kit. So Stampin' Up has a whole bunch of all-inclusive kits, and I like to say, when they tell you it's all-inclusive, it's fully for real all-inclusive. Everything that you need to put this project together is right here in this beautiful box. So let's start. I actually went through this last night so I would make sure I knew what I was doing, but I just want to show you really quick that everything I'm going to show you today has many, many, many multiples. We're only going to put together one, maybe two cards, but there are duplicates of every single thing so that in this kit you could put together 12 beautiful cards. Okay, and we'll also put together, well, it's already kind of put together, but we'll do a little bit of customization on this beautiful organizer as well. Hey, Carol, thanks for joining me. So I put in here, this beautiful organizer notebook, by the way, has all these handy dandy pockets. And so I went and put in all the supplies that I would need today into these pockets so that I wouldn't have to dig through everything. Isn't this gorgeous? Nice, great, big, deep pockets. And then it has, well, it's got this one on the front cover. It's got a spot where you could write your name. And then it's got 12 inside pockets. And on each of these, it has the numbers from 1 to 31. So this is where you could write, say this one is December, you know, so-and-so's birthday is on the 1st, so-and-so's anniversary is on the 8th, so-and-so's birthday is on the 27th, and you could write that all in, and then put your finished cards inside here, and then you would have them ready to send to the people whose birthdays are that month. And then on the back cover, you've got another big, deep pocket as well. So this is a gorgeous organizer, and it comes in the kit with, as I said, enough supplies to make 12 beautiful cards. So you could put together this kit for yourself, or you could put it together and give it as a gift, because what an awesome gift to get this organizer. But first of all, before I blather on about how great the kit is, let's actually jump into it and put a card together. So here are the instructions. Every kit that you buy from Stampin' Up comes with full color instructions, and it tells you step by step by step with images exactly how to put it together. So I'm going to start with this beautiful card here, and it's got all these little bits that you can punch out. They're already die cut for you, and you just have to gently remove them from the sheet. Now, this is where the all-inclusive comes in, because in any kit that you get, there's going to be a little bag with the little bits and bobs in there, and one of the things it has is these little adhesive dots. Now, of course, if you are a crafter already, and you have your own favorite adhesive that you like to use, that's great. But if not, these glue dots will get you started. I like to use my take your pick tool and just gently lift them off the backing and pop them on to what I'm trying to stick. So this is another reason why these kits are so great, is because it's all self-contained in that box. If you were heading out somewhere, you know, you're heading to watch your kids' hockey practice, or, you know, you're going to be sitting in a waiting room for a while or whatever, you know, whatever time you have to kill, or if you're traveling, you want to go camping or something, you can just grab the box knowing that everything you need for the project is right inside. Right down to the adhesive. So I'm going to pop this on. And there we go. There's our first layer. And you can see the card base is already pre-printed for us. And it's pre-scored. So all I had to do was fold it. Super easy. And it's already looking really cool. Okay, so the next bit we're going to do, we're going to use some more of these cutouts. See how easy these are going to be to punch out? And we're going to use some dimensionals, which again are in this little bag. Now, those of you who've watched my videos or crafted with me before, you know that I like to put lines on the back of my dimensionals. And there's a simple reason for this, which will become evident in a moment. I used to be really, well, first of all, when somebody showed me this trick, I was just blown away. I thought it was absolutely brilliant. And then I started getting like, oh, I better draw the lines exactly straight and, you know, make them all perfect. They don't have to be perfect. Now I scribble all over them. All that matters is there's a line. Okay, so I've got all these beautiful pieces that I've punched out, and I'm going to use my dimensionals. And if you actually look on the instructions, it shows you exactly where to put the dimensionals. So for this big piece, this is the one I'm working on right now, it says put 4 dimensionals. See how it's got that little hexagon shape for the dimensionals? And then for the other pieces, we're going to use the little glue dots. And again, it shows you exactly where to put the glue dots. So this is really like a foolproof project. Now, that being said, if you already have some crafting experience, you probably have your own opinions about where to put your dimensionals and your glue dots, and that's totally fine. I'm not paying a ton of attention to the instructions at this point because I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing. Famous last words. But again, this is the kind of thing where you could give this kit to somebody who's never crafted before, and not only would they have all the tools and supplies that they need to complete the project, but the instructions are going to show them exactly what to do with every single piece that's in that kit, right? Oops. Okay. So I've got my little glue dots on here. Oh, focus. There we go. And I've got my dimensionals on here. My lines are not showing up very well. That one you can really see. Okay, so the reason I put the lines on the back of the dimensionals is so when I start to remove the backing, it becomes obvious which one still has a backing and which one doesn't. Now, I say obvious, the blue really isn't showing up on the camera very well, but it is there. So that's why I put pen markings all over the back of my dimensionals. Okay, so I'm going ahead and taking off the backings on the glue dots as well. So what I wanted to tell you all, I wanted to give you a little sneak peek of the one of the cards that we're making at the Spring Card Making Mega Class, which is coming up on May 6th. The deadline to sign up for that class is this Friday, April 21st. So if you'd like to participate, make sure you register by then. And I'm going to be showing you today a little sneak peek of one of the cards that I just designed for that class, and it's using brand new products from the upcoming annual catalog, which, by the way, did you know you're going to be able to order from that annual catalog 2 weeks from tomorrow? Holy moly. April is zooming by. Okay, so there's my card. Hey, Glenda, thanks for dropping in. There's my card. These ones, remember, were attached with glue dots, and this one's got dimensionals. So let's look at the instructions to see the next step. The next step is we're going to find this piece that's got all these die cut pieces that says it's your day. Here we go. It's your day. And look at this. It's a multilingual kit. So you could put this together in different languages. And yes, the pieces for the organizer are in different languages too. Okay, so it's your day. Now these are self-stick. You don't even need to worry about glue dots or dimensionals or anything. And I'm just popping it right down there. And that's our finished card. And did you notice, of course I have to try and find them now, but did you notice that our envelopes are pre-printed too? Here they are. Look at that. Pretty, hey? Or it could go with this one. Gorgeous. Okay, so that is how simple it is to make a card with this kit. I think we're going to make another one because that was so quick and easy. I want to see what the other one looks like. It starts with a polka dot card base. And again, the instructions are right here telling me exactly what I need to do. And I'm going to punch out these bits that are triangular. And they're going to overlap on my card. And it creates kind of a cool effect. As soon as I saw this, I was like, ooh, I would like to try this, you know, with my own cardstock and stuff. Because look at this. We're just going to pop that on there. And pop that on there. And it just creates this really cool look, right? So we have in the kit, it came with a little roll of tear and tape for you to use for this. If you have an adhesive runner already in your craft room, you could use that as well. You just have to be careful when you're getting to the super skinny corners here, because your tape runner is probably going to be wider than those corners. And you might make an adhesive mess. So I'm just going to use the tape and put that on the back of both of these. Oh, can you hear that outside? The garbage truck is here picking up my recycling. Hopefully it's not making a huge noise for you. Hey, shout out to my replay warriors, by the way. I had a few people telling me they were really interested in watching this this video, checking out the organizer kit, but they weren't going to be able to join live. So shout out to my replay warriors. I hope that you found some time to watch it and are enjoying checking out the cards for this kit. So there's something I have not specifically mentioned about this kit. Well, there's lots of things I haven't mentioned, but one of the things I was surprised to learn when I opened up this kit is that it's a non-stamping kit. So even when we added that It's Your Day sentiment there, we didn't have to stamp it. It was just on a sticker. So this is truly a great entry point for beginner crafters. And the other thing is, let's see, which way does this go? Not like that, like this. Can you tell spatial perception is not my strong suit? What was I going to say? Beginner. Oh, yes. Everybody sends birthday cards. Everybody knows people who has birthdays, right? That's the ongoing situation. And in fact, if you go to my website, inkyfingers.ca, you will find my free guide to always sending your birthday cards on time. It's right there for you. It's free. And this beautiful, yes, Carol, non-stampin', this beautiful birthday card organizer kit is a great way to get started with sending out your birthday cards, right? Because like I said, you get to make 12 different cards. Well, you get to make 6 of each of these. and then you can put them in your organizer pockets. So let me show you how to customize these pockets. It's again super duper simple. They have given us the names of the months in 4 different languages. So you just pick out whichever language you like and whichever month you want to start with too. Like I'm going to be a conformist and start with January, but you could start with April if you wanted to and just fill in everybody's birthdays and anniversaries and special days that are happening in January. And then pop your cards into that January pocket. Wouldn't this make a lovely gift for somebody? You could put it together for them, or you could get together and help them put it together, right? And you just put your cards in there. So like I said, in the box is all the supplies to make the rest of the cards. We've just made one of each design today, and we've got lots and lots of these stickers and die cuts and glue dots and dimensionals and everything else to make all the rest of the cards. So that is the birthday card organizer kit. You can get this online. Go to stampinup.ca/kits to see all their kit collection. You can buy it, of course, from my website, inkyfingers.ca, and it is $34 for that kit to make 12 cards and customized organizer. So isn't that brilliant? Now, I want to show you, I promised you I was going to show you a little sneak peek. So the mega class is coming up on May 6th. The registration deadline is this Friday, April 21st. And this is one of the cards that we're going to be making. I wanted to show it to you with my face camera because I just think it's so gorgeous. So this is using all new products from the upcoming annual catalog, the Timeless Arrangements Bundle, and some beautiful new ribbon. And this is one of the beautiful returning colors here, Pretty Peacock. So if you would like to come and join us and make 12 cards, 2 each of 6 different designs, we would love to see you. You can find the registration info at my website, inkyfingers.ca, and come on out and join us. We'd love to have you there. $74 for a day full of fun and crafting and getting to know some new friends and all of that good stuff. Lunch is provided. You know, it's a great day. It's a great day. There might be some amazing prizes. Who am I kidding? There are definitely some amazing prizes to be won. So make sure you register by Friday to join us for that. Now, my final bit of business in my Make It Monday video is always to give away the card that we made last week. So I'm very happy to congratulate Regina, who has won. Regina, you get to pick which color you would like. These are the continuing in colors that were introduced last year, and they're carrying over for another year. So Regina, send me a message. Thank you so much for sharing the video, and I will send you one of these cards. Now, as for you watching today, whether live or on replay, if you would like to win a card, you can win one of the cards that I made today from the birthday card organizer kit just by sharing this video. And then I will be hopefully pulling your name out of a hat next week. So make sure you put a comment letting me know that you've shared, because Facebook doesn't always tell me who has shared. And that way, maybe you'll be the lucky winner next week. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me on Make It Monday. I'm having lots of fun going live with you every week, and I hope you're having fun too. Have a great week, and happy stamping. Bye.